Welcome friends, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can use Corel Draw to extract an object and place it on the boundary that you want. So I will click to start my Corel Draw, click the one that has pencil. I'll click here to create a new document and I'll click A4 document. So I have this here, so I'm going to import in the object that I want to work with. So I have 40 PNG. So this is the object I want to work in. So what I'm going to do will be to remove this object, that is the lady, from this environment. Then I can place it where I want it. So if you look at the tools here, we come from top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. It's a freehand tool here, and if you click down here, if you click down to expand on this, you see that there's a pen here. So it is a pen tool that we're going to use to trace the outline of that lady. So I'll click on pen to activate it. So I'm going to go around it. So I will start from here, but I want to include the table. So I'll start from here, move over here, circle the table, return back here, and start creating this outline. So the gaps in between should not be too long in order to attain some level of high accuracy. So I'm going to circle around the lady. What I'm trying to do is to show you two different tools you can use. Anyone that you find comfortable, use it. If you want to work with Corel Draw, you want to work with Multimedia Fireworks, all are available for you to work with. So I'm still going around our circumference. So I have to return this back to the beginning, circling the tabletop, and returning it back here, going down, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm at the beginning point now. So I've finished my work. Then I'll press escape. Then from here, I will highlight on this entire object. So after highlighting on this entire object, you find that these tools automatically appear. The first one is weld, second one is trim, while the third one is intercept. So intercept creates an object from the area where two or more objects overlap. So I'll click on that. Then I'll move down to this center. You see where you have X here. Just at that center, get there and drag this lady's picture out. So that's what we've done. So from here, we can delete everything from here, and we can bring our picture back here. So that's how we've been able to get our picture around this environment. Then of course, if you like, you can further crop this to the area that you want, and that's how it's coming out. So you have a picture here. That's how you bring a picture to this environment. So depending on whatever background you want, you can get any background color and intersect it. If there are edges that you feel should be smoothened, so what do? You can highlight on this, then you go down to where you have 1, 2, shape tool. So you click on the shape tool. Once you click on the shape tool, you can drag this to wherever you want. For example, if you want this one to come in a little, if there's anyone that protrude out and you want it to go in a little, you can use the shape tool to smoothen what you have. And once you finish, so I've done mine, you can click back on outside. So that's what I have, and of course you can now export it. So I'm going to export this. So I'll click on file, export this. So I'll call this pic on white using Corel. Click on white using Corel. I will put this on a desktop and it's going to be a PDF file. I'll click on export and then I'll click OK. So my work is there. So I can refresh this to see where it is, and if I open it here, it comes out beautifully. That's how it's done. Thank you for listening.